Hello guys, welcome to my channel Sports Info Now. Here we are with the latest edition of WWE Rumors Roundup. We bring some latest WWE news and update including WWE tribute to the Truth back next month, while WWE looking to bring back released superstars and other more important WWE stories. So watch this video till the end to not miss out any important WWE updates. Before we start the video, we request you to please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for instant video notification. So without further ado, let's start our video. Number 6 is WWE bring back tribute to the troops next month. It's been almost 2 decades that an annual tribute to the troops WWE show become the tradition now. It all started in 2003 in Camp Victory in Baghdad, Iraq. This idea was presented by none other than Johnny Bradshaw Layfield to Vince McMahon. Every year tribute to the troops aired with some different and unique form. So now WWE looking to bring back this tribute to the troops show in December 2020. According to WWE rumors, there is a talk going on in WWE to bring back the tribute to the troops show back in next month. In the past, this WWE show will be held in Iraq and Afghanistan. So now question is whether WWE decided to air this show this year or not. Every year WWE, USA Network and NBC air this show. This show aired as a substitute for Raw and SmackDown. So this year Fox can also air this special show for the first time. If WWE does not want to air this show on the other network this year, then they can also air this show on WWE Network. So now let's see what WWE makes it happen to the tribute to the troops show this year. Number 5 is WWE looking to bring back released WWE superstar. If we look at all trademarks that WWE files, then they are big numbers. One name raised all eyebrow, that is the word The Way. Now WWE latest news stated that this trademark is used for former WWE superstar No Way Jose, who is released by WWE earlier. Jose recently working in independent wrestling under the name of Levi Wellness. No Way is one of those superstars who are well liked in NXT as well as main roster. He would be the first superstar who WWE bring back after release earlier. Now it's interesting to see that if No Way Jose makes his WWE return, then how WWE books him and on which brand that he makes comeback. In the recent time, big names like Finn Balor and Ember Moon are getting back to the NXT from main roster. So we can't rule out the possibility of No Way Jose is a part of NXT roster once again if he make WWE return. Number 4 is Mandy Rose suffered from an injury on Raw. This week on Raw, WWE booked a match between Nia Jax and Asuka. As per the expectations, Shayna Baszler make his interference in that match and it ended in no contest. After the match, a huge brawl broke out where Mandy Rose, Dana Brooke and Lana fight out with Women's Tag Team Champions. During that brawl, at the one spot, Nia Jax threw Mandy Rose out of the ring. Unfortunately, Mandy Rose injured herself while going through the ropes. Mandy Rose held her shoulder and referee checked on her, then provided her medical assistance while heading to the backstage. We can't say clearly that whose fault which led these incidents. Maybe it's Mandy Rose's awkward landing on the ropes and it causes this injury. So this could be just a freak incident, nothing else. There is no further update available regarding Mandy Rose's condition right now. But at first sight, it looks not too much serious. We got update on Mandy Rose as soon as possible. Mandy Rose is a part of Women's Survivor Series team of Raw, and Survivor Series 2020 pay-per-view is just 10 days away. So we hope that WWE no need to force change in the Raw teams for the Survivor Series. So stay tuned with us for more details and updates about Mandy Rose. If WWE has made force changes and replace Mandy Rose, then who is the superstar who replace her? Write your thought in comment section. Number 3 is USA Network change their priorities. WWE latest update come out about USA Network, Raw and WWE. WWE report give details about USA Network thinks about Raw future. As per the latest WWE news, Raw is no longer the highest priority of USA Network. According to WWE news, this change in thinking of USA Network official could make a roadblock for WWE to extend their current deal with the network. Here is what WWE rumors stated. Somebody tell this past week when it comes to on TV side of it. Don't know about Fox. WWE not even a priority for the USA Network anymore. And if it's not a priority, can't imagine USA Network is going to sign them up again after this current deal. Now don't get wrong, all know wrestling quality of WWE, so they will find another sucker. They will find another network who thinks they are buying Rock and Austin, and that's what they do. WWE also suggested that the USA Network also hope to see turnover in Raw ratings when WWE introduced Thunderdome. But it's not happened and the way WWE and USA Network thinks. Here is what WWE updates told. They thought, and again, from inside the sources, they would thought the Thunderdome was going to be turned the rating around. And what you would say. Okay, bro, it's going to be a nice at the beginning. People will turn in. It fits the same content. In 3 weeks, you are going to be the back where you are started. And they are not even a right back and where they are starter. They are below par. These are the things running right now between WWE and USA Network. What do you think about how WWE can improve their show ratings in upcoming time? Tell us in comment section. Number 2 is WWE planning a storyline for a real life couple. In WWE, there are so much couple working together who either married or in a relationship, and Aleister Black and Zelina Vega is one of them. But this couple is one of those who are not much give acknowledgement by WWE. Other couples like Russo, Lana, Bianca Belair, Montez Ford, Seth Rollins and Becky Lynch who are working together on WWE TV. But in Aleister Black and Zelina Vega is not happened yet. Zelina Vega worked as a manager of Andrade in most part of his WWE career. But now things are changed because Zelina Vega and Andrade now no longer align. As per the WWE spoiler, Zelina Vega told that his real life marriage with Aleister Black may WWE use as a part of storyline on WWE TV. But right now this is just a thought, not right on the paper yet. Right now Zelina Vega and Aleister Black both are the part of the SmackDown roster. So it's quite possible that WWE finally pulled the trigger and we could see some intense and personal storyline. If we see in the recent time, then WWE's track record is not good to use real life couple in storyline. But if WWE write a proper storyline and feud and book it proper manner, then it could be easily one of the best storyline ever. If WWE goes this idea, then it would be the beneficial for all, Zelina Vega, Aleister Black and WWE. What do you think about this idea and storyline? Write us in the comment section. Number 1 is WWE secretly made a change in Braun Strowman character. Recently, Braun Strowman gave a comment and said that WWE legend Big Show is wrestling dead. So now looks like Braun Strowman follow his wrestling dead's footprint. As per the WWE's news and updates, Braun Strowman is quite turned face on Raw and now he works as a babyface superstar. Braun Strowman turned heel when he worked involved in a storyline with The Fiend Bray Wyatt on SmackDown. Then WWE drafted him on Raw and he carries his demons on the Red brand. Braun Strowman attacked Alexa Bliss and in this process he completely turned heel. He also helped and gave his contribution to Alexa Bliss' character transformation. After losing Universal Championship on SmackDown, he appeared on a Raw Underground segments and shows his destruction over there. He was also involved in a short feud with the Dabba Kato. That time speculation went around about Braun Strowman quietly become a Raw superstar and in the end, drafted 2020, it was confirmed by WWE. On Raw, he started his first feud with Keith Lee. WWE booked him as a heel superstar in the exhibition match against Keith Lee. That match, Braun Strowman won with the heel tactics. In the last few weeks, feeling like WWE booked Braun Strowman as a face superstar. First, he was pinned by Keith Lee last week and this week we saw that Sheamus attacked him during their match. And WWE surely not do this type of things when with heel superstars. Maybe Braun Strowman not change his character entirely, but we could see that some shade of monster side in his babyface character. This is all from our edition of WWE Rumors Roundup. Hope you all enjoyed. Before you leave, please do like, subscribe, share, comment and press the bell icon for instant video notification. So see you guys in our next video.